Hi there and welcome to the CTFX course. Firstly, a big thank you and congratulations for taking the initiative to signing up and allowing me the opportunity to guide you on your trading journey. And I very much look forward to your progress and trading success with me. I just thought I'd give you a quick guided tour and overview of the course layout to make things much easier for you to navigate through the lesson menu and get you started on the right track from day one. So, let's get into it and let's get you started. Right guys, so once you've logged in, you'll be guided directly to the CTFX course sections, and on the top menu over here, you'll see course section 1, 2, and the downloads and documentation, right? Once you get to this foundation lessons over here, it's very important that you finish all of these lessons because this gives you the overall foundation of trading, okay? And this is all going to be based on the coaching. So once we start the coaching, you should have a very strong understanding of everything related to these lessons over here, okay? It's not hard, guys. I made it very simple to understand. Everything's in layman's terms so that you can just move forward swiftly and understand and practice these as you go along, right? Brief intro to Forex, which is the webinar, so you don't have to watch that if you've already seen it before, because that gives you the overview of trading and how to begin and where to get involved, etc. If you're brand new to trading, and you can just basically start from lesson 2 onwards, which is finding a broker. You just click on the actual lesson and it will take you to the video. You click on play. Once it loads up, you can just pause that, and you will basically get this kind of video size so that you can actually watch it in full view, so you don't have to worry about the small little video that's on there, okay? Downloading and MT4 functionalities, these are all the basics covered in these videos over here. So click on each video, it will pop up with the video lesson over here on this side, and same goes for every other lesson in here, okay? Now if we go to course section number 2, same rule applies. It's just the next 10 lessons of the whole course. I would go through all these videos if you're brand new, and then just practice each of these videos while you basically watching the video, so that you can just open up and play with whatever I'm teaching you in here along with the actual platform, so that it all kind of makes sense as well, okay? So same rule as before, just click on each video over here and it will go through every lesson as we discussed, okay? Now the downloads and documents area, this is basically the CTFX chart template, which you will learn about in video lesson number 4 on section 1. Get to this, once you get to that video over there, you just go to the downloads and documentation and you can download the CTFX template, which is down over here. CTFX chart template, it's basically you just click on that and it will download in the bottom menu over here, and you can click on the other one as well and it will also download over there. And the video guides you on how to install this onto your platform so that you can see how I trade my charts, okay? The CTFX PDF documents, this is the overview of the entire course. I would actually first do the course before reading this. I wouldn't read this first because you need to understand what I'm talking about in this course, this booklet over here. This booklet covers every lesson in about 100 pages, so it covers the entire course in one go, okay? The CTFX chart patterns, this is basically just this is part of the chart patterns video lesson, which is on section 1, I think, or 2. Let's just have a look. Yeah, here we go, market patterns, which is video lesson number 11. So that corresponds with that over there. And the divergence trading is also part of one of these lessons over here in section 1 or 2. Okay, all you do is click on any of the related links and it will open up a PDF just like this, and then you can scroll through it and actually see it and match it up to your actual charts, okay? Guys, don't rush through this course. It's only 8 hours, but it's very, very extensive, so it goes into a lot of detail, but I've also made it very easy for everyone and anyone to understand, okay? So don't be intimidated by anything over here, just get used to it and apply it to your own charts while you're watching the videos, and things will start making sense very soon, okay? I look forward to your progress, guys, and if you have any issues or any problems with the videos or the downloads or anything related, you've got me on WhatsApp now as a member, so you can WhatsApp me directly or message me on Skype. I'll also put my Skype details in this page so that you can connect with me and discuss anything that you have with concern, okay? All right, guys, get into it, and I wish you good luck, and I look forward to your progress. I'll speak to you soon.